Welcome to HSwift. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the notification. Here we will solve set of 4 questions which are important for CET exams. So first question is, a compound formed by elements X and Y crystallizes in a cubic structure in which the X atoms are at the corner of a cube and Y atoms are at the all faces. The formula of the compound is option A X3Y, B XY, C XY2, D XY3. So it is given that X atoms are at the corner of a cube. So the contribution of X is 1 by 8 into 8, because here each atom is equally shared by 8 other unit cell. 8 corners are there, so it is 1 by 8 into 8, which is equals to 1. Contribution of X is 1. Next, we will see the contribution of Y. Here it is given that Y atoms are at the all face centers. So contribution of Y is 1 by 2 into 6, because here each atom is equally shared with 2 other unit cell and cube has got 6 faces, so it is 1 by 2 into 6, which is equals to 3. Each atom is shared by 2 unit cell. 1 by 2 into 6, 3. So X value we got it as 1, Y value is 3. Therefore, the formula of the compound is XY3. So option D is the right one. Next question. The fraction of total volume occupied by the atoms present in a simple cube is option A pi by 6, B pi divided by 3 root 2, C pi divided by 4 root 2, and D pi by 4. So here we have to calculate the packing efficiency of this simple cube. We have standard formula to calculate packing efficiency, which is equals to volume occupied by the sphere in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Here volume occupied by the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1, because number of particle per unit cell is 1, into divided by total volume is 8r cube into 100. So here r cube it will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are, so it is pi divided by 6. So fraction of the total volume occupied by the atoms is pi by 6. So option A is the right one. Next question, third question. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, simple cube, BCC, FCC, then the ratio of radii of each sphere in this system will be respectively option A by 2 root 3a, A by root 2, B, A by 2 root 3a by 2, root 2a by 2, C, A root 3a root 2a, and option D, A by 2 root 3a by 4, A by 2 root 2. So we know that value of A in each case. In simple cube, BCC and FCC, it is 2r and 4r divided by root 3 in case of BCC, and in case of FCC it is 4r divided by root 2. So this is the value of A, edge length. Now we will write it for r. So in case of simple cube, it becomes A by 2 For BCC, if we rearrange it and write, it becomes root 3a divided by 4. And for FCC, it is 4r by root 2, a value. It is a root 2 by 4. R value becomes a root 2 by 4. We'll just simplify this a root 2 by 4. A into root 2. Denominator, we can write it as 2 into 2. Okay. Again, the denominator value 2, I'll write it as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, root 4, which is same as 2. So here root 2, the denominator and numerator, it will get cancelled. So it is remaining a divided by 2 root 2. So in case of FCC, R value we got it as a divided by 2 root 2. So a by 2 root 3a by 4 in case of BCC, and a divided by 2 root 2. Option D is the right one. Next question. AB crystallizes in a BCC lattice with edge length A equal to 387 picometer. The distance between two oppositively charged ions in this lattice is option A 300 picometer, B 335 picometer, C 250 picometer, and D 200 picometer. For BCC lattice, we have value of R as root 3a by 4. Here value of A is given. It is 387 picometer. Edge length is 387 picometer. And R for BCC is root 3a by 4. But here R is not asked. The distance between two oppositively charged ion, distance we have to calculate. So value of D. D is equal to root 3 into A divided by 2. It becomes root 3a by 2. A value we have to substitute here. It is root 3 into 387, because A is 387, divided by 2. If we simplify this, we will get the answer which is nearly equal to 335 picometer. So option B is the right one. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.